Congratulations! You really suck! Aw, you lost. You can't do anything right. What's happening? Congratulations! You're great at this game, but you still suck at life. Congratulations! You've won, which means you don't have any real friends. Ow! Oh, snap! Oh, no you didn't. Aw, you lost. You know my little sister beat this game in about 20 minutes. Oh, look what you done did. Hey! Ha ha! Jesus! Aw, you lost. Oh, wait, don't cry. Come on. Damn it. Congratulations, you've won. You want a damn cookie? Koza assy! Balls! And I approve this message. Aw, you lost. You also fail at life. Ha ha!